How to get Groupon working promo codes. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. Now type in Groupon promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you working promo codes for Groupon. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Wired. Once you open it, you're gonna find great deals and offers. Just scroll down and check. $30 off, 25% off, 80% off coupon code, $10 off coupon code, and many more. Just scroll and check. If you're interested in any of the coupon code, all you need to do is click on this option of copy coupon. So here's the code, you can copy it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy it. Now you can head towards the website of Groupon, make your purchase, and whenever you check out, apply this code and get the discount. I have selected extra $50 off for all the purchases. If you want to redeem this code right away, click on this option of Visit Groupon. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Groupon. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and whenever you check out, apply this code and get the discount. Also, you can try out these offers. Also, make sure you go through these websites, as this website will also provide you tons of promo code and coupon codes for Groupon. Well, this is how you can easily get Groupon working promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.